channel. And for this video, we will be reacting to BTS when Suga forgot his swag with my family.
Hi, Army.
Yes, it's Suga's time. So let's get started, guys, to this video. Okay, yes, it's Suga time.
Swag. Di ba kanina parang si Suga din siya, no?
Yeah, it's Suga. Cute headband.
Pero in fairness, gwapo rin siya.
Yes, he have a cute face. Cute face, yeah.
Oo.
Parang bata yung mukha.
Gusto ko yung ano niya, mata.
Yes. Hala, napikon na. I like this song. We have this, right?
Yeah, that's right. Learn
yeah, you have this song on your playlist.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's Suga's birthday. Oh, Suga's guitar. Magic.
Oh, guitarist.
Birthday pa niya. J-Hope! J-Hope is just... His personality is J-Hope talaga. I like his personality. It's just funny. It's just really funny. Ang kukulit!
No, Suga, I love you daw. Mga fans ni Suga.
Clap. Oh.
Quick dabs.
Yeah. Ay. Oh, 50 times? Wow! 50 times niyang pinulay yung buhok. Yeah.
Oh? Kasi chemical yun
Yes,
eh.
chemical. Ang cute ni Suga! Parang bata!
Ganda ng smile.
Yes. See, he have that baby face.
Tour.
He's not even... Kinakopy niya ata si Suga. Hindi, Suga's not impressed. It's not me, so throw it. Go home? Huh? Gusto na niyang umuwi. Yes. No, I'm good.
Oh!
Galing.
Archery?
Yeah.
Oh! Takas
Oops, hindi na kaya. Oh, he's copying yun, Jungkook.
Yeah.
Jungkook voice ko nga naman eh.
Di ba nainis siya dyan eh, di ba? Hindi niya masarado.
Struggle is real. Oo. sorry. Tongue-tied. Oo nga.
Dance monster.
Whoop. Tawa-tawa si RM. Ayan, ayan ulit. Ayan ulit. Na-stress na siya.
Naman kaya yan.
Yes.
Ako rin, minsan hindi ko siya nalalagay eh.
I think we all experience that.
Oo.
Yung na may naiinis ka na talaga.
Hindi pa rin siya may lagay.
Oh. What's that? Oh?
It's a game?
That's from...
Yes, House of Army. Look, J-Hope!
J-Hope step. Oh. Careful, sugar! Ay, kagwapo. Ganda ng picture.
Yeah. He's in a good mood. Nasa mood siya. Nasa good mood siya. Oh.
That's why it's called the dance monster.
Huh? Nasasaktan na si Bibi. Ang cute. Ang cute niya. His birthday gift. It's fish. Bakit? May ulam na siya. Wow. Galing. Daming talent. Favorite for handsome. Parang lasing lang, no? Oh, opera singer. Oh my God. Sorry.
Chenko.
Oh. Look, J-Hope there. Look, J-Hope.
이별에 아파서 굉장히 슬퍼하는 남자의 연기를 했는데요. 그럼 무슨 연기 보여주세요?
이것이
네, 오늘 신랑 생일입니다. 형!
Aww.
여기세요, 이런 거.
Jimmy na. Linis ng face niya, no? Ang ano, flawless. You guys the best. Oh. Oh, no. Yeah.
They look up to me. Fight love with their babies lock up to me. Straight up to my thighs. Straight up to my thighs.
Tawang-tawa eh. Real nice gifts. What? Oh. Bakit sa kanya yung ganyan? Yung ganyan na. See? Outfit. Oh my God.
Hindi siya makapag-decide eh.
What is he doing? I am a New Yorker.
형 너무 잘생겨서 너무 조각하는 사람이다. 산산 조각.
Shut up.
Kelly, but I was absent because of the bathroom, so they were so embarrassed because no one let us talk.
What? Oh, they're like
rehearsal.
Ang ganda ng banding nila, no? Every time, lagi ko na lang inuulit yung ano na, ang ganda talaga ng banding nila, nilang lahat.
That was such a good. That was such a good one, right?
Yeah.
It was a pickup line, and then he interrupts RM saying, "You know BTS."
You know, BTS?
This is pickup line.
Yeah. No, ang ganda talaga ng samahan nilang lahat.
Oo.
Yeah.
Parang sila talagang tinadhana pinagtampo, no?
Ang ano na talaga ni issue, guys. Just sometimes he's just being funny. He's just being like, yeah, funny, savage, ganyan. Yes. But most of the time, I think, mas ano siya, most of the time, savage siya eh. Sa mga kasamahan niya, yeah. Parang madalang lang talaga yung ano niya, pagka-funny talaga niya. Yeah. So, ano masasabi niyo, guys?
I like this swag.
Swag.
And it's just more savage moments and
Oo,
swag
saka,
moments.
ano siguro?
That's his thing.
Yeah.
Oo. Saka, sense of humor niya.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this vid and see you to my next BTS reaction video, guys, with my family. Watch, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And comment down below, guys, kung anong gusto nyo video na i-react namin, guys, para ito yung ma-react namin, guys. Sa mga hindi namin nare-react, guys, don't worry, i-react naman namin yung mga nire-request nyo, guys. Yes. And sa mga nagre-request dun sa House of Army, ginawa na namin siya, guys. When is that? Like, last month, ata? Last month? Yes, a while ago. And then, na-block yung video, guys. Yes, hindi namin siya ma-upload. Kaya, hindi kami makagawa ulit ng House of Armies. Baka kasi ma-block ulit siya or hindi rin siya ma-upload. Okay, guys. So, yes, hope you understand. And, so, see you to my next BTS reaction video, guys. Bye!
Bye!